At Central Plumbing, Heating and Air, customer satisfaction is our priority. Locally owned and family operated since 1975, the specialists at Central Plumbing, Heating and Air offer a wide range of services, including drain clearage, full plumbing services, heater and furnace repair and installation, air conditioner service and maintenance, and much more. So whatever your needs, Central Plumbing, Heating and Air can provide the solution. So call today at 1-800-353-0929 or visit online at www.centralplumbing.com and let us show you how we built our excellent reputation.